Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutsell speaking, and in this video today, I am going to show you how to use icon set number 6 within the Google Docs series. With that being said, let's take a look. So I've added a little more text to my document so you can see what the icon set number 6 does more easily. So right now, icon set number 6 starts off with left align. All of my text is currently left aligned, and as such, it starts off on the left side of the page. If I highlight my text and click center alignment, it will now alter my text so everything is in the center of the page. Any text I type from here on out, if I start my cursor here, will therefore adjust for this alignment. If I highlight my text and click on right align, it will move all the text to start on the right-hand side of the document. Finally, we have justify. When I click on justify, it makes all of the text move to a left alignment, but it also spaces out the text so that it evenly touches the margins on either side of the document. And since this can be a little hard to see, I'm going to click on left alignment again so that the difference can be more evident. So if I click on left align, it can be seen that the space between the words has shrunk, and it might not always end up even depending on the words that are typed. But when I click on justify, it makes certain that all of the words are evenly applied in such a way as to make the document more visually appealing. And so from here, when you type your own documents, you can make them aligned in whichever fashion you feel is beneficial for you. Thank you for listening, and I hope this tutorial helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.